Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea. Who are you?
Callie.
And this is Callie, and today is an exciting day. So we're doing our magical menus. We're gonna be making the Grand Floridian chocolate chip cookies to celebrate the launch. Of course we can eat them. To celebrate the launch. After we make them, for sure.
And then can we play magic statue?
Yes. To celebrate the launch of our Magic Mail subscription box, which is live as you're watching this. So Callie and I are wearing, can I hold you up for a second? Callie and I are wearing our very own merchandise. Oh, that's your belly. Callie says made with magic. And mine says Mama of Magic. And we did a lookbook where we featured these shirts. I will make sure that's linked, but we're basically baking to celebrate, right? Because we like to eat treats when we're happy. Yeah, and Grand Floridian treats, delish. So Callie is gonna show you what we need to make this. The recipe is in the description box. We're gonna need 2.5 cups of flour, thank you. We are also going to need a teaspoon of baking soda. That's this one. There's not very much in there, is there? We are going to need, oh, I have to grab it. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Can you show that? Thank you. We are going to need 10 tablespoons of butter. Callie's favorite. Ours is in a block, so I'm gonna be guesstimating. We need 1 cup packed brown sugar. That's this one. Can you hold this up, my love? Yep, brown sugar.
Yeah.
We're gonna need 2 eggs. Can you hold these up? 2 hands, 2 hands. Thank you. 2 eggies. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Can you grab the vanilla?
Ooh, smells good.
I know. Oh, don't need to open it. Not yet. And you're going to need as many chocolate chips as you want. We are going to be using whatever we have left in both of these bags. Okay. So, hello. We had a little camera change, and now here we are, ready to make some cookies, okay?
Oh, you need my spatula.
To get the cookies off the trays when they're hot?
And
Okay.
this one. Scrape it off.
You know it. So we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. Callie is very excited about our forky scraper. We have just a big white bowl. Okay, don't put it in your mouth, please. And we are going to begin by preheating our oven, which we've already done, to 330 degrees, which may seem like, it is very hot. It may seem like a strange amount.
You would like it.
Why would I like it?
Because you love hot.
I do love hot tubs, that's true. Not hot tubs, but hot baths, that's true. Okay, are you ready for some flour? 2.5 cups, here we go. Here's 1. Flour is so messy. Probably better chefs and bakers than me are like, only if you do it wrong. Maybe I do it wrong. All right.
Hey, you're knocking over my pile on me.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Cleaning it up for you.
Thank you.
Like I made your bed this morning.
That's right, you sure did. Okay, we are moving into baking soda. 1 teaspoon. Oh, I need to get a little spoon. Callie's just doing her best to scrape up the excess. Here is a teaspoon. Here is the baking soda.
Yeah.
Into the bowl it goes. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Very helpful. We need to add baking soda to the grocery list. 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Vanilla mix.
Vanilla's coming. Vanilla's coming.
Snip it.
Callie loves the ingredients of vanilla and butter together. Baking is her fave. And of course, chocolatey chips. Okay.
I'm gonna eat them last.
So we are going to sift this. And but when I say sift, I mean whisk, because it does the same thing Hey, can you be my stirrer?
No.
And then what? How are you helping here?
I cleaned up my mess.
You cleaned up my mess. So all we're doing is...
I can mix with this.
You can mix with that. But be very gentle, okay? So we're mixing our ingredients, our 3 dry ingredients, and we're just gonna set them aside for now. All right, my darlings, if you have a mixer, now is the time to grab that bowl. You can mix this by hand, of course, but it is easier in a mixer. We have an old school Kitchenaid that we just love and we use all the time. Good job with that, babe. Okay, into here, we're gonna start with our butter first. Now we have a block of butter. I'm gonna pop this into the microwave for like 8 seconds to soften it up because you want this to be semi-soft when it goes in the mixer. Okay, so a stick of butter is 8 tablespoons. So we're gonna do 10.
Hey, I'm baking cake.
You're baking cake. And if you have a stick of butter like me, I'm just cutting. Like I'm literally just cutting it to fit what I need. That's about 10 tablespoons. Maybe it's a little less. Add in a little plop more. Okay, so we've got our butter in the bowl.
Look what I made.
What did you make? That looks nice. Now we're moving into our brown sugar. We have regular and organic blended together. Okay, we're gonna use a spoon. This says packed, the recipe here. So we're gonna push it down. Do you wanna do that part? That seems like something you would like.
Oh, and that's it.
Yeah, you have to squish it
Can
down.
I squish it down with my hands?
Are your hands clean?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. That looks nice. Okay. We have our 1 cup packed brown sugar. Into the bowl she goes. Why don't you go wash your hands, okay? Do you need help? Good job. And the kind of surprising ingredient, which makes these cookies so different and fluffy, is your powdered sugar. Oh, can you use a, thank you. Now this is 3/4 of a cup. And we are gonna mix this until it is fluffy. Fluffy, okay. You can see what's happening in here. Now I have this set on like a 4. So do we see this getting fluffier? Now it is time to slow it on down. And we're gonna add our eggs.
Can you pack them?
Sure. 2 eggs. Right on in. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Here you go, Mila. Smells good, right?
I took another bite.
Be careful. So we're gonna turn this on low. Shake in just a bit at a time. Let it incorporate. And then on the rest. Okay, now we are going to hey, what are you doing? Okay. Then we are going to slowly fold in our chocolate chips. Oh, it smells so good. Give it a whiff. And that, my friends, is perfect cookie dough. All right, now it is time, with our dough prepared, to roll this up. Get it ready for baking.
Who's here?
Just using our little forky to scrape off our scraper. We just bought this scraper. I will link it below. It's from Amazon. It fits our original model of Kitchenaid, but it'll tell you all the models it fits. But we love it because it has these scrapers on the side so that you don't end up with that, like, you know, that like ring around the bowl. We're gonna get to work. Do you want to help too?
Chocolate chip.
They're all gone. We've had an outfit change while we wait for the cookies to be ready because we wanted to feel like a little summertime princess, right?
Why do we need sunscreen?
Why do we need sunscreen? To protect our skin.
Right now?
Forever. Even Mama wears sunscreen. Okay, all right, why don't you go get it? So initially I started these cookies at 10 minutes. I did do tablespoon size cookies, so they're large. I don't know if you can see how fluffy they're getting. So then I've added so far 7 extra minutes. So I also did, sorry if you can hear the construction going on outside. I also did teaspoon size cookies next. So I'll be putting those in on their own separate timer to see if they require less time. Okay, our tablespoon sized cookies, which you can see back here, are done. And we'd like to test them.
Yummy. More.
Those are awesome.
More.
They did take a full 20 minutes to bake. And they come out this light color, which I guess I'm not used to. I'm used to cookies being darker. Thank you, Doodles. What's your opinion? Are the cookies, or you think they're bad? Oh, then I should eat the rest of this one. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, you're a trickster.
More.
You want more cookies?
More.
We'll have to wait until the teaspoon ones come out of the oven, but the overall.
There it goes.
You want another cookie? See, they're like this color brown on the bottom. I just wanted a snack. They're fluffy in the middle. Okay, so the overall recommendation. Oh yeah, delish. Good choices? Oh, good.
How did you take a bite of this?
I don't know what you're talking about. Thank you so much for being here for our magical menu today. And we really hope that you will check out our Disney-inspired subscription box. It's going to come with 2 t-shirts, one for mamas, one for minis, and of course you get to pick the sizes. It's also going to come with 2 gorgeous sets of Courtney at Foster the Magic Co.'s gorgeous ears. I was able to pick out the color bow and the fabric to design them to go with the color scheme of our mint and navy blue tees. And of course it's going to come with a craft. You can find all of this information in the launch video. I will make sure that's here and tagged at the end. So if you have any questions, you can get them answered before you purchase. The shop is live below. And we really hope you enjoy what we've put together for you. I will also be making sure that the recipe is below and how many cookies we got out of this. So that way you can see and make these for yourself at home for whatever you want to celebrate, even if it's just a Monday. We love you so much and we will see you soon. Bye, friends.